Yes. Morning. Come on. Come on. Here you go. Here you go. No, y'all can go away. Hi, duck. So, oh my God. The Egyptian geese and their baby. Hi, baby. They want food too. I fed the duck. The duck comes up for cat food, but they want chicken scratch. Anyway, rain, and more rain was yesterday. And then we had more rain last night and early this morning. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm not trying to chase you. Just, and it's still raining right now. Okay, so this will mean more to Tiger when she sees this because she's been here, obviously. The ducks are swimming in what is supposed to be my backyard. My backyard is not supposed to be the pond. Oh. Nice. They're swimming in the yard, Tiger. In the yard. Here's my great myrtle tree. One of them. Oh, oh, my poor fig. Well, don't have to water anything for a while, which is good, I guess. I give up. The boat. During the hurricane, the boat floated up and on to into the yard, which now is basically pond. So now it's back in the water. In the yard, in the water. Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see that over there. See that big tree fell 2 nights ago? 2:13 a.m. I was sitting on the porch. That thing was loud when it fell. Came out here with a flashlight. Again, I hope it didn't fall in the neighbor's house, and it didn't. It fell toward the pond. Anyway, yeah. This is great. Ducks are swimming in our yards. The baby banana tree's got plenty of water. Oh, I'm walking through water in the yard. And the garden, I gave up on the garden a few weeks back, y'all. I'm over it. No, that eggplant. Oh, I forgot my sprinkler was on. I'll try to. Oh God, try to keep the deer out of the garden. It's not working. They ate all the tops, all the leaves off of my okra. Multiple times, ate all the I'm getting soaked. All the sweet potato greens. They keep stealing the eggplants. That could be the squirrels too, though. Oh man. And here we go. Oh, all the top. Oh, all the tops off of my watermelon, or the leaves off the watermelon, but it's coming back. The one in the pot anyway. Ate most of the leaves. I think I did that before, off the pear and the avocado and the elderberry and the little baby loquat that's over there that we can't see from here. Okay, I gotta go back in. I'm getting soaked. It started raining harder. Anyway, yay. The asparagus are killing it though. I'm still picking asparagus every now and then, but most of them I'm just letting go. Oh. Yuck. But I do have 4 or 5 more okra inside. I should go pick those okra, but not right now because it's raining. And the tomatoes are pretty much done. They're dying. Still have cherry tomatoes. Yeah. Sun golds or honeycombs, one or the other. Yummy. But yeah, everything else is just a damn mess. Alright, I'm getting soaked. Gotta go back in. See y'all later.